Yo, what up? A lot of this, a lot of that, trying to get this Savage right, you know. What I had to do, adjust some springs, clutch springs. I got new clutch stuff coming in, but trying to just get it as is running. You know, have to tweak things, find out this little charger wasn't working the whole time. I'm thinking something wrong with the truck. I'm like, it's a brand new battery. That's dumb stuff like that going on. So we back. We're gonna have some daytime litage, but I think it's gonna start. I think it's gonna start. Looking good. Yeah. Tomorrow, get some daytime footage. Ripping clutch. Just tuning to make sure it's good for showing. Get at y'all. I believe this is proof right here how little I actually ran this back in '04, '05. I think this says a lot. The way this spur gear looking, very clean. Not thrashed much. Just doing a quick test before I change the servos. Got some upgraded servos that I'm going to use. Put in here. Here's my steering. Not too good. Start lifting up. Of course, it works when I'm moving. Batteries are going low, but still. Let's see the changes we do. Still tight.
Go out and look.